Hey guys, today we have this old Toyota pickup. Still beautiful. Let's see what year is this. This one says 1998. So it's 1998 Toyota T100. Beautiful car. We had a problem with the doors. Not opening from the outside. And see, diagnose and repair the problem. Let's get to it. Okay, first we have to verify the problem. It says from the outside it doesn't open the door. We can know the mechanism inside is not attached. You can lock it and unlock, but it doesn't open it. Well, from the other side, this one is still good. You still have let's try this. This is locked. Then unlock, lock, unlock. So if we go to the driver's side again, we can, this works. Is the outside door doesn't, there you go. Can't unlock it from the outside. So we're gonna open this panel and see what, let's keep that open. Let's see, I'm pretty sure it's the cable is disconnected, and we have the parts here. I'm not sure what. I hope it's the outside. Oh, this door handle, the front door handle. Either way, he wanted to replace it, so the customer wanted to replace it. Let's open this up. It's not easy to open by one hand. What do we have here? I'm not sure. Okay, it's a whole mechanism that he has. He bought left and right, and this still look good. All right, let's see. Let's open that up and see what we can find. Okay, guys. So in the process of doing this job, I locked my keys inside the truck. As you can see, it's right there. So it doesn't open. So I have this pump and I have my tool. Let's try to open it. The other side is locked too, so you gotta be careful working on this kind of things. Make sure that, there you go, see that? All you gotta do is make sure I unlock that. You gotta pull it. It's not easy if you use holding the camera, and let's go. Gotta pull it. Nope. One more time. you go. Please do not do that again. Lock all of my keys. Okay. Let's make sure the other side is unlocked. There you go. Okay. Let's get back to work. Okay. It's a beautiful sunny weather. It's ugly, not cold. Perfect to work outside. So first we have to remove this panel. Let's get the you know what? I actually locked myself out a while ago. I left my key inside. So you can see how this. Oh, I gotta clean this up first before I start working. It's in my way. But what we gotta do first is to remove this panel and see what's going on inside. Okay, so this one is working good too. Let's try it. Oh yeah, perfect. Let's try to lock it and unlock. Oh.